Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video, we'll be doing a project overview of Aakar Ivory Heights, which is located at Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune, and developed by Aakar Realities. But before going on to that, we'll be discussing of the following points. That is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before going on to that also, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform where it connects home buyers directly with the developer, resulting in bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, you land up into multiple calls, your number gets shared by different brokers. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home now with the developer through Housey. Now we'll be having a project overview of Aakar Ivory Heights with the help of 3D model. Aakar Ivory Heights will be constructed on 1.75 acre of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower consisting of G plus 3 level of podiums plus 14 floors of premium residencies 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK. Now, coming to the location, I'm here at the actual location of Aakar Ivory Heights. This is our sales office, and behind that it's a land parcel. Now talking about the location, connectivity and surrounding. So this project is located near to Sapphire Towers, Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune with Dehu Fata bus stand 3.0 km. Gundare Patil Chowk 3.3 km, Indriyani Hospital just 3.6 km. Now moving ahead with the amenities part. With the help of 3D model, this project has luxurious amenities with likes of kids play area, open gymnasium, indoor games, guest room, senior citizen sit out area, jogging track and many more. Now moving ahead with the configuration and carpet area, Aakar Ivory Heights has 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK premium residencies. Talking about the carpet area, 2 BHK has 594 to 795 square feet, 2.5 has 688 to 841 square feet, 3 BHK premium residencies has 890 square feet. So now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the pricing and payment schemes too. We'll show the actual location of the project. If the clients like it, they may proceed ahead with the booking process. So what are you waiting for? Book, register for free and also schedule a site visit soon. This is the entire project overview of Aakar Ivory Heights, which is located at Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune and developed by Aakar Realities. For more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं, कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन करना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलना. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.